Viral Spike review, demo, and $2,250 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is my Viral Spark review. Now this is an absolutely must-have new app that will do 3 different things for you. First of all, it will grow your social media following, which means that you're gonna grow your YouTube, your Instagram, your Pinterest, and your Twitter. So a 4-in-1 tool, but we are not done. It will also build your email list at the same time, okay? So now it's a 5-in-1 tool, but that's not it, because you will also get commissions. So if anyone will use this tool and buy anything from inside of the members area, you're getting a commission, which makes this a 6-in-1 tool. Absolutely amazing. I've never seen anything like this. This is essentially something that will save you money, because you don't need 6 tools, you need just 1 tool. This is a one-time price, and I'm going to do a little demo for you right now, and let's just jump into it. You know, an absolute must-have. Let me share my screen and let's jump into my Viral Spark review. So this is the sales page, and as you can see, it says discover how this site got 253 visitors per day instantly on full autopilot. See the exact process we used to achieve this in short video below. So obviously we have a little demonstration video right here. Tons of proof, so you can again build your email list this way, you can build your social media following this way. And when I say social media, we have 4 different platforms. Okay, so step 1, you're gonna activate it, then we have the trigger, and then you're gonna profit, because again, commissions are built in. Okay, so obviously, you know, they talk about paid traffic right here. So I'm not going to be showing you the whole sales page right now, but just key points. This is from Dan Ashendorf, Mike McKay, and Dennis, the GARF-free amazing marketers, and Viral Spark. This is the name of the product. Okay, so they're gonna have a little demo right here. I'm going to have a full demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel, so you can check it all out. And I'm going to do a little presentation for you right now in this video. Obviously, they have some testimonials, some more proof. And as always, they're gonna have a 30 days money back guarantee. That's essentially it. You can go through all of this in your own time. And even before we're gonna jump into the members area, let me show you this page right here. Now, this page is what you will see after the sign up, and you will have to be sharing this page with your social media followers. Okay, so how this works is that you're gonna enter your email, and then you'll be presented with some options on what kind of social media you want to grow. And then you're gonna go through all of the settings. Again, I'm not going to do this right now. I'm gonna have a full demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel, but essentially you will have to enter your email, and from this point on, you're gonna get a link to a page that looks like this, and every single person that will enter your system will need to enter their email first. So that's how you are capturing emails, and then the inside of the members area looks like this. So again, you're gonna pick between one of the 4, so you can grow your Instagram, your Pinterest, your Twitter, or your YouTube. You can do one at a time, so obviously you can do all 4, but just one at a time. This will be your main one. So let's say, you know, you want to grow your Instagram, you're gonna get a link, and this link will be promoting your Instagram going back here. So first of all, you're gonna get people's emails, and then they will be redirected to your Instagram. They will essentially follow you on Instagram. Okay, now this is exactly what you can do. So again, you can do this for Instagram, for Pinterest, for Twitter, and for YouTube, and you are already gathering the emails. Now the commission part, as you can see, it says Viral Spark Pro, turbocharge your results and earn extra commissions. You know, when someone gonna click on learn more, they will be presented with an option to buy Viral Spark through your link. This is all hard coded already, and if they will buy, you get a commission. So, you know, commissions are included in this as well. So again, a 6-in-1 tool, absolutely a must-have if you want to build an email list, if you want to grow your social media, and if you want to make money. All of this is included. A brilliant system, and all you have to do is just share one of these links, the one of your choice, you know, again, either for Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, or YouTube, your choice, and this is all automatically done for you. So super simple. As you can see, we have the statistics here, so you know how many hits, unique hits and leads we are generating on Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube and Twitter. Then we have the lead integration, then we have the profile settings, and you can log out as well. So that's essentially it. This system is super simple. Again, all you have to do is just share one link, and obviously the more you share it, the more people see your social media. If you're going to include it in your social media, the more people will share it, the more people will sign up to your email list, etc. So this just snowballs down the road. You can just share this with like 5 or 10 people, and it will just snowball into hundreds, even thousands of people. So super simple. And again, keep in mind that you're making commissions along the way. So you're growing your social media, you're growing your email list, and you're making money at the same time. So normally people try to build their social media or email list and then start promoting. You are actually making money while doing it. That's why Viral Spark is so amazing. Okay, so again guys, I'm not going to have a full demo right here, but again, I'm going to have it both on my blog and on my YouTube channel, so check it out. And right now let's go through all of the upsells. Okay, so as you can see, the main product will be $22. Now this will be the early bird price, so make sure to show up early, and early is on the 6th of September at 11 a.m. Eastern. Okay, so if you're gonna show up early, you can grab it for $22, and obviously the price after that will be going up. So everything that I just showed you is included in the main product. We have Viral Spark OTO number 1, which is the max version, which includes integration with Zapier and ability to download leads. So obviously if you can download leads, you can just then upload them anywhere else to any autoresponder, etc. Okay, so that's an option for you. OTO number 1. Viral Spark OTO number 2, $37 recurring, and this is Viral Spark Club, unlimited followers and subscribers. And what is cool is that if someone will actually buy this through your link, you're gonna get a recurring commission every single month. Okay, so that's very cool option. OTO number 2, OTO number 3, and the last one is agency license. So as you can see, it's 100% commissions on the funnel for you. So me as an affiliate, I'm making 50% commissions promoting this. You can get 100% commissions, and this will only be $67. So these are the only free OTOs, no downsells. So as you can see, a very low price on the OTOs as well. And right now let me show you all of my bonuses. So if you'll decide to pick up Viral Spark through my link, and again it goes live at 11 a.m. Eastern on September 6th, I'm gonna give you all of these bonuses for free, and these are exclusive. Okay, so most of these are my own W's of the day awarded courses. Some of these are still selling, some of these are not available for sale any longer. So you would have to spend over $2,000 if you'd like to get these. Okay, so number 1, you're gonna get Flip Me, my best-selling flipping course, everything you need to know about buying low and selling high. Then we also have Flip Me OTO 1, which is the income booster, how to make even more money flipping, and then also a reseller's license to Flip Me, which currently sells for $67. Okay, then we have Urgent Arbitrage Cash, another course on arbitrage, Easy Arbitrage Profits, and these two courses are actually my own courses released together with Dan, that is the guy behind Viral Spark. We have Blaze, my own case study on how to make $400 a day with free traffic and free tools. Tube Traffic Avalanche, everything you need to know about YouTube marketing. Case study on how to generate free traffic. And then we have 9 software and plugin bonuses to Viral Spark, and you have Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Shortcode CTA. And then on top of this, 18 additional bonuses, which I'm not going to mention right now, we don't have time for this. And on top of all of this, you're gonna get my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. You can go to artofmarketingblog.com/mega bonus to see exactly what it is, but my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and together with all the bonuses that I just mentioned, that's a total of $2,250. Now all of this you're getting for free from myself, just as a thank you for picking up Viral Spark through my link. And again, 11 a.m. Eastern on September 6th is when Viral Spark is going live. If you're gonna have any questions, please let me know in the comments section on my blog or on my YouTube channel. Again, check out the demo. Then we'll explain exactly how the whole process works from step 1 to the last step. So again, the demo will be both on my YouTube channel and on my blog right here. Please give it a like on YouTube, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Ciao.